Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can send SMS directly from a Google spreadsheet using the Sheet SMS add-on. So in order to start you need to install the add-on. The add-on can be installed from the Google Workspace Marketplace. On the Sheet SMS add-on page you can just click on install and the add-on will be added to your Google Sheet. So once you have installed the add-on, you should see under the extensions menu a Sheet SMS add-on, and that means that this spreadsheet can send SMS directly. So the only thing I need to do is to write the formula equal send SMS, and this formula takes two parameters. So the first parameter is the message I want to send, so I can either write a message using double quote like hello for instance, or I can select another cell which contains my message. In my case it would be like D2. So you see here I have a message that I've already written, and now I need also to indicate the phone number I want to send the message to. And that's it. Basically, if I just take this phone number, for instance here, the E2, if I just validate this formula and press enter, it will send this SMS to this phone number. So in my case here, this phone number is not a valid one, so it will just tell me that the phone number is wrong. But if it was a valid phone number, it would send the SMS. As you see, I need to use the international extension because Sheet SMS work in a lot of different countries. So I need to write the international extension to indicate which country I want to send the message to. So here, for instance, it's +1. It's the United States. I can also write 001. And that's it. Basically, that's all you need to send SMS directly from Google Sheets. So if you want to start, you can install the add-on, and when you start, you get some free credits. So you can try the add-on and see if you like it. And if you want, of course, to continue, you will need to buy credits. So the price is per SMS and per country. So you can find more information on our website, sheetsms.com, and you can, of course, contact us. You can leave a comment or contact us on our email address, which is in the description, support@sheetsms.com. And yeah, I mean, if you have any question, really feel free to contact us. You can find all the price for each country on our website. And you can also find more information. For instance, Sheet SMS can be used with a custom sender. For instance, you can have the name you want indicated here, depending on the country you are. You can get, like, for instance, your company name or your own name as the sender of the message. And yeah, I think that's it. You see, it's really simple. Just one formula equal send SMS, message, phone number, and that's it. Your message will be sent from Google Sheet. I hope you will enjoy using the add-on. Let me know if you have any comment, feedback, suggestion, like a feature request, anything. I would be really happy to know what you think and how to improve the add-on. And yeah, I wish you all the best, and see you soon. Bye. Thank you.